Hey, thanks for tuning in to another edition of Test Drives here at Past and Present Motor Cars. Today I'm going to be taking out this 1967 SS Tribute car, Chevelle, Chevy Chevelle. It's got a 396 in it, a 4-speed Muncie, and a 9-bolt Ford rear end in it. Okay, we're going to take it around the block for a little bit, and then what we're going to do is come back and we'll take pictures all around it. So you can look at this car online at pastandpresentmotorcars.com. Hit us up on the web. We've got over 100 pictures of this car online. You can also call us at 407-559-7759. Ask for Jack. You probably won't get Jack, but ask for him anyhow. Or you can come down here to 320 Story Road here in Ocoee, Florida, and actually take a ride in the car yourself. So there you go. Let's go take it for a ride. My left turn signal's working, right turn signal's working, horn's working. We're gonna wait for Dylan to get out of the way and we're gonna go for a ride. Oh, would help if I was in first gear.